Good morning, welcome to your Friday, October 6th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Unseasonably warm conditions yesterday as we had temperatures rising into the lower to mid 80s across all stations. Norfolk and Dover were the warmest at 85 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were an unseasonably warm 81 degrees, which is about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. And then overnight last night, a fairly mild night. Baltimore and Richmond, the coolest temperature at 59 degrees. Here at Wallops, only got down to a low of 66 degrees, which is about 13 degrees above normal for this time of year. No precipitation across the region yesterday, and currently we have mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies off to our north, and mostly sunny to sunny skies to the south. Here at Wallops, mostly sunny with a temperature of 70 degrees as of 9 a.m. Upper air sounding from this morning, showing a southwesterly wind at 25 knots, and seeing a decrease above the 3,000 foot level through 9,000 feet, and then those winds will pick back up into the mid-20s. Our wind max at the 16,000 foot level at 27 knots out of a westerly direction. Our freezing level this morning was at 14,000 feet. Our current surface analysis still depicting high pressure influencing our weather pattern. However, it has moved farther offshore and is ridging back westward over the region, and with this southwesterly return flow around the high pressure system is aiding and advecting a warmer air mass over the region, and will be unseasonably warm here over the next several days, pretty much through the middle portions of next week before a cold front moves through and eventually brings a return to more seasonal, unseasonably cool conditions by the end of next week. However, heading into this weekend, we'll have this frontal boundary that's off to our north. It will remain north of the region, however, still drop a little bit farther south. We'll also have what is currently Tropical Storm Nate will actually become a hurricane over the weekend and move into, it looks like, southeastern portions of Louisiana and into the Gulf states, and then eventually be picked up by a upper level trough and a cold front that will be moving across the middle portions of the United States and possibly advect some moisture into our region by the end of this weekend into early next week. So finally start to see some rainfall enter our region, as we've been in quite a I wouldn't say a drought, but a negative departure from any type of precipitation over the past several days. So zoom in over the local area, we do have some light southwesterly winds, about 5 to 10 knots, but they will be increasing this later this morning into the afternoon, and we should be maxing out of the southwest about 8 to 13 knots, with temperatures rising into the lower 80s today again. So unseasonably warm conditions will be continuing with this high pressure system continuing to influence our weather pattern. So as we head into the overnight hours tonight, that high pressure system still remaining over the area. We'll be dealing with the upper level cloudiness that is currently over the region, and will continue throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow, as we'll have some upper level energy that's moving through the air over the area, and with this frontal boundary off to the north still providing that upper level cloud cover over the region. So you look off to the southwest in the Gulf, you notice what will be Hurricane Nate moving into the Gulf states. It looks like Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and then we'll begin to move up into the Tennessee Valley and up along the spine of the Appalachians, or just west of the Appalachians, and we'll start to see some precipitation advect into our area by Sunday afternoon into Monday, it looks like. So start to see rain chances increasing on Sunday, and then continuing into next week with the remnants of Nate being advected into the area, along with a cold front and upper level energy that will be swinging through the area, which could provide us with some periods of heavy rainfall over the early period of next week. So as we look at the 24-hour forecast, similar to what we had yesterday, we're going to be green across the board in terms of our hazards. Southwesterly winds maxing out at about 8 to 13 knots today, with a high temperature of 82 degrees under partly to mostly sunny skies, and then those upper level cloud cover will continue to stream over the area during the overnight hours. So we'll average out partly to mostly cloudy tonight, with temperatures dropping down into the mid 60s, expecting a low of around 65 degrees with a light south to southwesterly wind, and then they'll begin to pick up again tomorrow morning out of the southwest to about 5 to 10 knots. As we look into this weekend, we'll expect similar conditions on Saturday, partly to mostly sunny and unseasonably warm with a high of 81 degrees, mostly cloudy Saturday night, and slightly breezy with a low of 68 degrees, and then we'll have a chance for some rainfall on Sunday with the moisture from Nate beginning to advect into the area, mostly cloudy and breezy with a chance of scattered showers with a high of 78 degrees. And looking at the 7-day forecast, again, unsettled weather beginning on Sunday and continuing into early next week, as it looks like the heaviest and best rainfall chances, look to occur on Monday, with the remnants of Nate moving through the area. We'll have a high of 79 degrees, and then we'll have some possible lingering showers on Tuesday, and then Wednesday a cold front looks to move through the area Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll have some lingering showers on Wednesday as well. And then our temperatures will actually begin to drop to more seasonable levels behind this cold front, with an upper level trough swinging through the area as well. Get down into the lower to mid 70s for both Wednesday and Thursday, and our overnight lows will begin to drop as well into the lower 60s Wednesday night and Thursday, and it should return to more of the upper 50s as we head into the later portions of next week. Well, that'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you Tuesday morning at 8:15 for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.